Hey, we're
So there's
back.
something that would.
I'll just print it out again, or I can just cut it. We're back. So now Nigel's filling up the cans for me. Thanks, babe.
Actually, I think I might need to go on that side.
On this side?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Negril Bill.
All right, Negro in the house.
Negril's in the house. So yeah, we got coconut body butter. It is divine. And we're not filling it up. Nigel is. He likes this part. And I like when he does this part too. Yes, man, it smells so good in here. It smells like Coconut Grove, right? It's like coconuts all over the place.
Yep. And then I hear a coconut pot.
So, if you're just joining us, hey, if you're just joining us, Nigel is canning up the coconut body butter. We ran out, so I made some last night. And then he labeled all the cans for me, put all the labels on the cans, cleaned out all the cans, sanitized them. Always, we sanitize everything. Hey, Sandy, thank you for your order, Sandy. Yes, Sandy, we're going to put some extra goodies in there for you, girl. Yes. Hey, Tammy. So all of these are filled. So I'm going to move all of these over to here so you don't...
Yeah, I was just sit through them just now.
Right. Get a good camera angle view. There we go. So he's just filling them up so that we can our orders filled because we ran out. We ran out and hey Tammy. Yes. This yummy body butter. This is I think this is my favorite now. Coconut. I think coconut's gonna be my new favorite.
Okay.
So I should put this right here. So. This one's empty too. I want to order some body butter and I can't get through for some reason on the website. Can I private message you what I want? Or can you give me a call? I'll send you my new number in Messenger. Sure. I don't know why, though, you're not able to get through. That's so weird. That's really, really weird. Go to NigelSchmakenAlmondWorld.com. And yes, Sandy, that will be awesome. Let me write the website on here for you, Tammy, because that may be easier because we're not gonna be in the office until later today. So let me see. Just try. If you can't get it through, then just call me, or just leave a message of what you want to get, and with your email, and then I'll just send you an invoice. But see if you can get through on here, Tammy. Okay. Okay. Hey, Rhonda. Whoa, Rhonda. Hey, Nichelle. Rhonda. Maybe because I don't have enough. Oh. No, not your sister, Nichelle. Another friend, Nichelle. Okay, I did maybe because I don't have enough data, no Wi-Fi. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That could be it. That could be it. So, hey, Donna. Hey, yes, Rhonda, we miss you too. Miss you too. We're just here in the workshop, working, getting everything all together. Yes, man, we've been busy making stuff, making. Yes, man. This, I think coconut is going to be my favorite flavor. It's just, the smell is captivating me this morning. Huh?
Like food.
It is.
Yeah.
Yes.
This stuff can't eat though, guys.
No, you can't eat this. You can't eat this. You can't eat it. It's body butter for your body.
Yeah.
Yes, this particular kind happens to be coconut. Coconut seems like it's everybody's favorite. Yeah, coconut's like everybody's favorite. So, but I was more hooked on the mango before. Yeah, but now after being in here with this, I think I'm hooked on the coconut.
Okay.
So Tammy, do me a favor. You can just text me at 863-451-1175. That's my number. And just text me what you would like. And then we'll go from there. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. We're just, we're here. We're here. We are here. We got all kind of stuff in the... She said the can is too small. I'm a curvy girl. What are you gonna do, Donna? Jump in the can? No, a little goes a long way.
Yeah, man.
Believe me, a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. Yep. Yeah. I mean, literally. I should do a little demo.
Yeah.
Where's my little can I had up there? Okay. I'm going to do a little demo. Okay. So, let me come over here. Okay. So, the body butter, a little bit goes a long way. So, you don't need a lot. So, I haven't put on any lotion today. I know I look a little shiny. I think it's the lighting, but my skin is well moisturized because I do use the oil, the body butter, and the meringue oil on my face every single day, all of it. Where do you buy it? I'll support your business. You could go to our website, Donna. It's www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld.com. I'm going to put it on your comment. So I'm going to demo a couple of the products, as a matter of fact, so you guys can see what's going on. So I'm just going to put the website here. And we have a lot of new things on the website. And with every order, we're sending out a free sample of our new vegan shea butter Jamaican almond oil soap. So, hey. Okay, so the body butter. Where's my can? Okay. So here's my can of body butter. And like I said, it's made with shea butter, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil. Here's the almond oil right here. Is this bottle empty? Just about. Okay. I have a lot of empty bottles up there because if I run out, I just go over there and grab some. I write it down now. Anyway, okay, so it's made with Nigel Jamaican almond oil, African shea butter, so real deal shea butter, and coconut essential fragrance oil. It's hard to see, but anyway, this is it right here. This is a batch that I made last night, and that's what he's canning right now. I always can some for myself, of course. So, ooh, it's set up so nice. Oh, it's set up so nice. So here we go. And like I said, I'm not really a fair subject because I'm pretty moist all the time. So anyway, oh, but look at that. Oh, wow. There you go. There you go. Wow. Wow. Yep. Yep. So, and I'm in the sun every single day. I lay out in the mornings. So I haven't put anything on my skin today at all. So yeah, that's the body butter. This coconut smells so good. I just want to bite my own hand. So let's go back to Nigel, see what's going on with him. Okay.
Just adding a little bit more to these stems.
Okay. Oh, they look so pretty, babe. Before you put the tops on, I want to take some pictures.
Okay.
All right, guys, we're going to go. Thank you for being with us. And,
That one is empty?
yes, I think so.
Yeah. Can you open it? Oh, sorry. Oops.
All right. Thanks for being with us, guys, at Nigel's Jamaican. Hit those elbows. Okay. Look. My baby said my elbows look good. Ooh. So, yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Nigel?
Yeah, man. One love. Take care. Stay safe.